You can live a boring life, or be a real cheapskate like me. Yeah, or you can get access to theportraitartacademy.com with hundreds of videos, and it's not even that expensive. But it should be, because it's art. Yeah, maybe. Either way, check out the link below for the courses.
Bonjour. How are you?
Good.
Good. I am drawing portraits today. Can I draw your portraits?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Because all French people are artists.
Yeah, you should.
Where do you live? What country?
The UK.
UK. I've been to the UK.
Yeah.
It'll take about 10 hours. No, 10 minutes.
I like to do art and do like painting.
You do art, yeah.
I did that.
Ah, nice flowers.
But it got ruined here.
Uh-huh. Still looks nice. You been to
I
London?
live like right now. Yeah.
You
I
like
live
London?
not too far away.
Oh, not too far from
I
London.
live like right on that. I live literally right outside of London.
So far, so good.
Ooh.
You been to France?
No, but this year I'm going to Paris
Oh,
to do like this drama thing.
ah, Paris.
So like, I'm going to Disneyland, so I've had this opportunity to go to Disney and to perform on stage.
Perform on stage?
It's a big opportunity. It's like my dream job is I'm like an actor, like in movies and that.
Yeah.
That's like my dream. So far I'm going towards my goals, so hopefully keep on going.
You want to be an actress?
Stop somewhere. Yeah.
Well, that might happen. Who knows? How often a week do you act?
I act like once a week.
Once a week?
This week I'm doing twice a week.
Yeah.
And then I rehearse pretty much every day. Not like completely every day, but like most days. My favourite type of movie is like a horror, like scary, or like action.
Your favorite movies are horror?
Yeah. Like horror and scary and like action movies and that.
Oh yeah?
Okay. It's been nice and all that.
Yeah.
Like have a normal conversation, like a normal daily conversation.
Yeah.
It's nice. But when it gets down to the weird, I don't mind when people give me compliments saying you're pretty, you're cute. It's when it gets down to the weird stuff and I'm like, go, like, get a life.
Yeah. No kidding. You ready?
Yeah.
For the big reveal.
That's really good. I love it when people draw me.
Yeah, does it look like you?
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah.
There we go. Thank you.
Welcome. Do you know any French words?
Bye. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
That's it.
Bonjour.
Hope you have a good day.
Au revoir. Hey, have a good day. Bye.